Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Figma in your Windows device. It's a very simple process. First, you have to open any of your favorite browser, and then you need to come for the Google Chrome search bar, and here you need to search for or download Figma. And you can simply click on the download Figma, and you're going to get the first website called Figma Download Web Design App for desktop and mobile. If you click on that, you're going to find for the desktop version, mobile app version, and font installer. So I'm going to go for desktop for Windows. Click on that. And after that, you can see the Figma setup.exe file is downloading. So after complete, you can simply click on install it and going to minimize the background app. It will take a little bit loading, and after it will going to come up with a sign in to Figma. So I'm going to click on login with browser and going to continue with the Google. Select my Google account, continue, and now there will be an option called open the desktop app. Click on that, open Figma, and it will going to open the Figma for me. You can see you need to choose some of their questions. Why do you want to plan to use Figma? Personal project, continue, you can do your needs, and I'm going to click on another new tab, and from here you can simply use the Figma for your Windows. So thank you so much for watching. I showed you how to download and install Figma in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.